In the oil and gas sector, investors are constantly looking for projects that can move the needle, but not every asset has the potential to become a meaningful growth driver. So when a company begins highlighting a project as a key opportunity within its portfolio, what is it about that asset that deserves investors' attention? Scott Gilbert, Chief Executive Officer of Corcel PLC, welcome to the watch list.
Corina, thanks for having me.
Corcel PLC is advancing its Con16 and is being highlighted as an important asset within Corcel's portfolio. What makes this project so exciting right now?
Well, the Con16 is very interesting in many ways. First of all, it's an asset that we operate. So the fact that we operate the asset means that we can control the timing of the operations. So we just conducted a 2D seismic where we shot 326 line kilometers. That's going to be able to tell us where we want to drill the well. And it's helped us identify a series of prospects that we have within the block. The well that we're planning to drill, hopefully very soon, it's a high impact exploration well, which will be targeting the post-salt and the pre-salt sections of the prospect that we're planning to drill. And what's incredible about this well, or the potential outcome, is that for the cost of drilling a well onshore, we are potentially able to find the amount of reserves of oil that you would find in an offshore prospect, where it would cost 10 times to drill that oil well. So that's one of the key items that's exciting about Con16.
And why do you believe it has the potential to become a key growth opportunity for the company?
Well, when we started the company a couple of years ago, we had 3 assets which didn't have any work done to them. We delivered a series of milestones in terms of the 2D seismic, and that took us from where we started as a very small company to now a company with a market cap of roughly 45 million pounds. And basically, if we deliver this well, and it delivers the amount of oil that we hope it will deliver, then that's a potential transformational event for Corcel.
Now, and as global energy demand continues to rise, investors are paying close attention to projects that can deliver meaningful catalysts and potentially create value over multiple stages of development. Looking ahead, what are the key milestones and catalysts that investors should be watching for at Con16 over the next coming months?
Well, I think for Con16, it's what I just described. It's the potential of it being big, but it's also the fact that we're operating in the onshore Kwanza Basin, which is a frontier basin. It's where oil was first discovered in Angola, and it's been inactive for many, many decades. So we are the company leading the way in reactivating that. But that's not just the only thing that Corcel is about. We are working tirelessly night and day to be able to acquire production. We've been very open to the market about that. We are looking to acquire production in the areas in which we operate. We're looking at Latin America, and so there's several catalysts between now and the well that we hope to bring to the market and to our shareholders.
So this appears to be a story of strategic execution and catalyst-driven growth, with Con16 emerging as an increasingly important asset as Corcel works to advance its broader energy portfolio. Thank you for your time today, Scott Gilbert, Chief Executive Officer of Corcel PLC.
Thank you.
And thanks everyone for watching this episode of The Watchlist.